Imagine waking up, checking your emails, and suddenly, Outlook is down. Thousands of users worldwide face this exact problem on March 2nd, 2025. Businesses were disrupted, important emails were stuck, and frustration spread across social media. But what exactly went wrong, and how did Microsoft fix it? Stay tuned as we break it all down. Welcome to the TechVerse channel. I am Alex Bali, and we're about to kick things off with today's exciting video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from the world of AI, tech, and entertainment. Let's dive in. On March 2nd, 2025, thousands of users reported being unable to access their Outlook emails. This outage disrupted Microsoft 365 services, causing frustration for many users worldwide. So, what exactly happened, and how did Microsoft respond? Microsoft quickly acknowledged the problem and issued a statement, confirming that they were aware of the issue. The company mentioned that a potential cause had been identified, which was related to a recent service update. The company took immediate action to revert the update. After the service update was reverted, Microsoft reported that most services were beginning to recover. By now, the majority of affected users were regaining access to their Outlook accounts. Microsoft assured customers that the issue was being actively addressed to prevent future disruptions. As expected, many users expressed their frustration over the outage, especially those who rely on Outlook for business purposes. Emails not being accessible caused delays in communication and disrupted workflows for several users. In response to this issue, Microsoft promised to investigate the root cause further and implement measures to avoid similar incidents in the future. Their goal is to ensure that users have a smooth and reliable experience when using Outlook and other Microsoft 365 services. Thankfully, the Outlook outage is largely over and users are back to accessing their emails. Microsoft is continuing to monitor the situation to ensure all services remain stable. If you were affected, it's safe to say things are getting back to normal. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.